Hey girlies, hope you all are great. Christmas is just around the corner and 2025 is knocking on the door. So we are ready to make 2025 our best year yet. So as a passionate girlie about organizing and planning, I found my love in Notion planning and organizing. While planning and organizing, I have learned the hard way that having a clear system that help you to stay organized and keep on track whole year is very important and the game changing for your goals and your dreams as well. Because I plan whole my business on my Notion, and I started Notion for my business only, and now my whole life is on the Notion. So yeah, I am a big fan of Notion and I'm a big fan of planning and organizing. Whether you are a seasonal planner or just starting your journey, I promise you will find something valuable in this guide that will help you to transfer your 2025 and achieve your dream life. So keep watching. So as you can see, this is my trend life planner Notion page for 2024, and you can see there is everything I need, like as in my health, my finance situation, everything under there. I have a full video linked in as a Notion tour, so you can go and check it out. And this is the page where I do my daily planners, weekly planners, meal planning and monthly planners as well. So all you have to do is take this data into my new pink planner 2025. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a new page as in pink planner 2025, and we share all this data into that new planner. So I'm gonna add some icon that's gonna be somewhere this, because I like the pink bow, and we're gonna add some cover, and I wanna add we make it in a full width, and I'm gonna change my font from here. It's gonna look very nice. And now I want to add one photo of me, then one navigation, and a clock, if that makes sense. So let me quickly do that. So this is how I created my photo, and I'm gonna download it as in PNG without a background in Canva, so we can add it in the Notion board. So this is how I enter my photo from PNG to Notion. So when we when we add image, upload file, it is very easy. So this is how I insert my picture, and I put some write down underneath that. I put it in a call out, as you can see. I'm gonna add all the pages which I have a previously label, which is very important for my daily news. So I'm gonna add one of the watch here and some quick assets. So now I'm gonna move this 5 pages into my new pink planner, and I don't want that black arrow come in, so I'm gonna move these pages into that, and then I gonna link these pages to this thingy. So let's make it let's do it in a quick access. So we moved all the pages to my new planner 2025, and I linked the pages to my 2024 planner because I don't want to lose that data, but I still want to keep editing because of I changed my years. So we're gonna make it like the new ones, new way. So we're gonna fill it in the later videos, but that's how we're gonna make this life planner for today. So that's how we're gonna do it. So next thing is I wanna add my daily click on things into my 2025 planner, which is already in my 2024 planner, which is a daily checked in. So we can make a new one for 2025, because if we're gonna move this, we're gonna make copy and paste. It's not gonna look the same, or it's not gonna make the same vibe. I'm gonna add my daily check-in journaling. So here all you have to do is put another table which has the view. I need to link it with my daily mindfulness, which is already there. So I'm gonna turn this table view into the gallery, and we're gonna filter this out. We're gonna cut size small, we can cut preview, that is the cover, and that's all we're gonna do. And then we're gonna filter the dates, which I need the last week only, so not the weeks, I need the days. So we're gonna do the last 3 days or 3 to 5 days. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do. So this is how we're done, and now I don't like this name popping up, so we're gonna hide the name. That is like this, just a simple thing, hide database. Then we're gonna add a view. This is what we're gonna add: daily habits, workout, skincare, AM PM skincare. That's all we're gonna add into this table. So all you had to do is just the add, and whichever the table is, we're gonna add into that table. Okay, so let me quickly do that. So now I'm gonna add callout, and I put all things in a callout, so it has a nice tiny very thin border around it. I'm gonna give it a name, daily check-in. So this is how we finish with the whole daily check. Now we're gonna add weekly check-in and meal preparation in there. So for the weekly check-in, I tried copy and paste. So let's make it work and let's see how it's gonna be. If anything changes, I will let you know. But for now, we're gonna copy and paste and we're gonna leave it like that. Know in the comments you like this page, or do you want me to add something for yourself, or do you want me to remove anything? And if you have any suggestion, you can give me login and I will try to edit this thing. And I also gonna add this monthly planners templates as well, which is goals and visions and task gonna be connected with them, and I'm gonna add a calendar in there. So as long as I am adding my to-do list, as long as going on, I'm adding my all the data in it, so I'm gonna connect that data to this profile. So this is all for me, but for the public I am gonna creating the new one very soon. So if you let me know, it's gonna be looks the same like this. So if you want me to add anything for you, you can comment and let me know. So now the last is monthly plan. I don't want to copy and paste this plan because the whole plan to have this and a new is to create a new goals and create a new things. So I'm gonna do one thing, that I'm gonna create a new goal that fits include my monthly plans on there. So I was thinking to have a gallery so I can see what is going on and I can filter it out. So let's try the new one. So this is the final look for my Pink Planner 2025. As you can see, I have added everything about monthly planner, my goals, my ultimate calendar, and everything about it. So let me give you a real quick peek on every page. So if you can see, I have a quick access to my cash flow, health planner, journal, and everything. Let me give you a quick tour. Let me click on it. So this is my new cash flow page, which I have put an income and expense system, reminders, and my extra pages, which are really important, and some of my goals and the systems. And the second page is we are coming on to, which is again has a goals system, one of the image that represent my health situation and mindset, my priorities, and some more pages which I really need to focus on. And the next one is my journal. So you can see my affirmation, my habit tracker, my mood trackers, and some of my weeklies, rants, and more pages and system pages. Then we can move forward to my skincare page. Has my daily routines, AM PM routines, and much more extra pages plus reminders and goals. And these are the more pages about it. It's my goals of 2029. So we have a growth process, my own things, my emergency funds, and my ultimate goals calendar. You can see my the routines next one. That is, we have a daily routines, morning routines, evenings, weekly reset, and monthly reset routines, skincare. Now we have a that goal checklist. Lastly, my affirmation, and that's my social media pages. Our weekly check-in. We all add together today's task. That's our filter for only the day. And this is my monthly planner, and let me show you what I made it for December. I made a template for every month, so that's the template I made it, which had my goals, my last month wins, priority task, habit tracker, image that represent that month, journalings, and again goal management. So this is all about my Pink Planner 2025. So this is it for today's video. Trust me, planning and organizing my life made so much different to keep me track while I don't know what to do. So randomly I just log into these things and I will keep track what I have planned myself for doing it and if I am on the track or not. So Notion helped me for a long time. I have a 23 dashboard, 24 dashboard, and 25 is gonna be my new dashboard. So it is very nice way to stay organized and stay focused. I'm gonna have this Notion for free very soon, so when I'm ready with all the templates and everything, so you're gonna get it very soon. So if you want to book in, you can comment down below. So if you're here till the end, thank you so much for being here, and I'm so happy. And comment this emoji and I will see you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.